how has diversity changed over the course of diversity issues over the course of your professional, graduate, undergraduate experience?
Well, I started off as an undergraduate in the 80s, and I actually observed, you know, a very small number of minority faculty at that time. Those few minority faculty were incredibly important to me because they were the people that really demonstrated whom I could become in the future. However, they were very few. The numbers were even smaller then. And when it came time to think about graduate school, I didn't go directly to graduate school. I made some other decisions and then went to graduate school later on. But what I remember is that there was much less discussion about going to graduate school among the undergraduates at that time than there is now. And I think that helps a lot. I think when we talk to undergraduates about going to graduate school and what they can do there, we do change courses, we do change trajectories because students aren't thinking about it or aren't thinking about it seriously. For me, I thought about it and thought, well, maybe I'll try this industrial job in the sunny part of Florida and see how that goes for me for a while. And then I decided to go back. I think what I've also seen change is the willingness to address this issue more openly. It's always been an issue, and to some extent, a number of my senior colleagues feel exhausted because they feel that they've always been trying to address this, to bang on it, to move it forward. But I do see a difference in how open our administration is in addressing it, how focused they are in addressing it, and how many of our fellow deans and department heads are willing to dig in and work on it. That's a real difference. So if we can get a difference on that level and we can keep that momentum going, I think we can actually change the way in which we address diversity in a very real way.